other nigga to listen. Like, who is you?
Hey,
Nigga, your
bro,
words don't move mountains
this my
around here,
little
nigga.
homegirl room, nigga. By the sound of your accent,
I'm
you don't
saying,
win when it come to me.
nigga, I
I'm
win when
just
it come.
being real, bro.
I'm saying I ain't gonna lose when it come to you either. Who is you? Your word don't move no mountains around here,
Bro,
bruh.
you know who you want to talk to me. You must know. I don't know who the fuck you is. If you
I'm
died
saying, nigga, I
today,
ain't.
nigga, I wouldn't be a part of my conversation, nigga. You want to talk to me? Let's establish that first.
I'm saying I'm trying
You
to
know
see
who
what the
I
fuck.
am.
Listen,
So
I don't give.
whoever I am
Listen,
to you, you answer that, bro.
listen. You ain't shit to me. I'm trying to dress your motherfucking ass and see what the business is. Why you
What
so
you want
foul
to
at the?
address me
Listen,
about? You don't know me. Ain't nothing for you to address me about there, right?
well,
I
get your
don't owe you
pussy
no
ass out of
money.
here then.
Huh? I don't owe you. Hey, nigga, this ain't your room. You don't call that
I'm
dog.
saying, you act like it's a privilege to talk to you, nigga. What you eat don't make me shit. Get your bitch ass out of here, nigga.
Hey, listen, man. Hey, listen, man. Hey,
Man,
listen, man.
nigga, you
Hey, check
beg
this
that
out.
man to come in here,
Hey,
nigga.
listen, man. Hey,
And nigga,
listen.
I ain't no listener. I ain't listening to nothing. I
Hey,
ain't
listen,
standing
man.
down to
You ain't
nothing, man.
nobody. If you was in front of me, you wouldn't be saying none of that.
Hey
Man,
man,
my
hey
soul,
man, hey say
man,
You
nigga
wouldn't
man,
like you,
say
hey
bro.
we
none of
should,
that.
hey bro, for the record, we should unite relatives, bro. We
We don't give a
stamp, bro.
fuck about that, nigga. So
Yeah, I
what?
know you don't. You might not give a fuck about it, but you speak on niggas, so you must give a
But
fuck about it
the
when you
nigga
speak
then
on something, bro.
then why you didn't come bury the lady then, nigga?
Why ain't come bury nigga? Hey, bro, for one, bro, don't disrespect
Oh, you
Maxine,
saying you
bro.
the relative? So what? Why you
Hey,
didn't
don't
come
disrespect
bury it then, right?
Maxine, bro. Don't disrespect Maxine, bro. Cause my feet big in
Why
California, bro.
didn't you come handle that?
Hey, bro, my feet big in
Then
California,
be
bro. My
quiet
peoples
then,
came and
nigga.
handled that, bro.
Be
My
Nigga,
peoples
nigga
quiet
came and
then,
should,
handled
nigga.
nigga,
that.
nigga, nigga should turn their back on the fam, nigga, 20, 30 years ago,
My
nigga.
peoples came and handled
So
that,
what
bro.
you popping his name for then?
Tell me some why a nigga
Stop
ain't come
popping
bury
his
you,
name.
man.
If he turned his
I'm saying,
back
what
on
you
y'all
want some
30 years
publicity for
ago,
that nigga? That's like you give
why
back
is
to
you
the homeless and
popping
you
his
gotta
name?
record it, nigga. If you really doing it out the kindness of your heart, or you doing it from the depths of you, nigga, you ain't gonna record it and put it out here and say, look what I
Who
did.
recorded
Come on,
what?
bro.
I didn't record nothing. What you talking about?
Shit, but you get on the internet and talk about
I
it, you
didn't
supposed to
record you.
brag
Hey,
about it,
listen.
nigga.
Hey, you
Nigga,
know what's crazy
that
though?
Yeah,
about,
nigga,
man,
you want credit
Hey,
for
hold
everything
on.
you
Hey,
do,
let me
nigga.
address that.
You give a
Hey,
dope
let me
finger
address
popsicle,
that.
you
You
want
know what's
credit for it,
crazy?
nigga.
And you know what's crazy is that every time I react or I defend another myself, right? Niggas say I'm wrong, but they ain't got nothing to say about what the nigga did. Nigga did this, then Wack responded what a nigga did. They don't talk about what the nigga did.
Man, you
They
sound
just
like Soldier Boy
hold
and
on,
Takashi 6 9 saying that that's the same shit they say.
hold on.
They
No,
say
no,
they
no,
rant
no,
and
no,
rave
no.
when
Oh,
somebody call their name. If you a man, you ain't gotta rant and rave when a nigga say your name, bro.
hey, nah, check it. First of all, nigga, you do it the way you do it, country ass nigga. I'm gonna do it the way I do it.
Yeah, country ass nigga, and I put on a suit and
Give me a
tie and show
water
one of you
park,
sit
man.
ass niggas what the business is. Fuck you talking about.
What does that
step that.
mean? Then why you didn't come bury the people then, bro? With your suit and tie, nigga. Them shits cost 99.99 at Hollywood suits, my nigga.
Hey,
Just
my
cause
nigga.
you got a suit
Hey,
on don't
tell
mean
me
that
this,
mean
bro.
nothing, nigga.
Tell me
The
this, bro.
fuck?
If I tell a hoe a duck
This
can
nigga's
pull a truck, what she supposed to
girlfriend
do?
fucking him.
I don't know nothing about that talk, my
Okay
nigga. I
then,
don't know
nigga,
what
hook the
whole ducks and
motherfucker up,
trucks and all
fool.
that mean.
Damn fool.
Man,
You
mute up
I
pussy
don't know
ass
Wack,
what
nigga, you
that
think
man.
you
mean.
know
That ain't
too
my
much, bro. See,
conversation.
that's
This
one
what
thing
we
you gotta
do
I don't
about
understand,
fuck
bro.
with
everything
When
ducks
you
and I
come
real.
don't
toe to
drive
toe
no
with your
trucks,
mess,
my
bro.
nigga.
When you come toe to toe with your mess, bro, look a man in his eye. Don't look at his feet, bro. We
Bro,
ain't worried
bro,
about
you
what
on
type of shoes a
Clubhouse,
nigga
you know
wearing,
that,
that, bro.
right?
I'm
Save
saying
We
you
some
ain't
for
do
worried
the
it.
about what
I'm
interview,
type of
saying,
bro.
shoes a
We
nigga
can't
wearing,
go
bro.
toe to toe, bro.
Wack, you do a lot of bitch ass shit on this
Yeah,
app,
bro.
dog. I
Hey,
thought
hey,
you
for
I
the record,
do?
bro.
listen,
And for the
Hey,
listen.
how
record, bro,
you
you
know
ain't
what I
talking to
do?
no
Why you
Stan
pay
G in here,
attention
bro.
to me though,
Niggas got
bro?
big feet in here for real, bro.
I don't know
Why
if
Fuck
are
you
you
talking
paying
about,
attention to
man.
me,
I
nigga?
don't know if a nigga be paying you to say that retarded shit that come out your
No,
mouth. You
why
say
are
some
you
bitch.
paying
Listen,
attention to
man,
what
shut
I
the fuck
say?
up and
Cause
listen,
I
nigga.
ain't never said your name.
Listen. You be saying some bitch
I
ass
have
shit,
never
dog.
said
That
your
boy
name. So
kitchen
why
hot,
you paying
man.
attention to me?
Cause you say some
Yeah,
bitch
nigga,
ass
but
shit.
you
I
Nah,
thought.
you
mob
just
tied.
Listen,
So if
paying
you
no
say the wrong
attention.
name, when you
I
mob
ain't
tied, if
said
you
your
say the
name,
wrong
bro.
name, nigga, you still in the red when you
I
say the
ain't
wrong
never
name,
said. I
nigga.
don't even
So it
know
don't
your
matter who
name.
name you
listen,
say.
just like you
If
spoke
you
on
say a
Hoover,
nigga
just
name that
like you
got my
spoke on
blood type
Hoover,
in him, bro,
bro.
you in the wrong.
You from what? I spoke on who?
On Hoover on Larry. On some
I
bitch
ain't
ass
speak on
shit.
Larry. Who spoke on
Yes, you
Larry?
did on some
I
bitch
didn't
ass
speak
shit,
on
nigga.
Larry. Who
Man,
spoke
you
on Larry?
cap you a hoe wet.
Who
Hey, so
spoke on
him
Larry?
defending
Ain't
that
nobody
lady is
never
him
spoke
speaking
on
on
Larry.
it?
Ain't nobody. Hey, but listen, I don't know none of you niggas, but y'all watch everything I do. You niggas is
You
real
a
fans.
hoe. Hey, you selling your soul for the clubhouse
And
shit. When a
say,
nigga
You
man,
catch you,
niggas
nigga
is
gonna
you
really
fall in your.
claim,
fans,
hey man, you
bro.
claim you don't know a nigga, brother, when Stan G, when you was in there having a whole
I
8
don't
hour
know Stan
session
G,
about
nigga,
Right,
Stan
either.
G. Nigga,
right.
Stan G brought me up. He like tell Wack about me, bro. Tell him I'm stamped in Memphis. I'm like, yeah, he the business, bro. You might not know about him on this side,
I
but
Fucking
he
don't pay
handling his
that
Stan G.
business
nigga
on
Stan
his
Nigga,
G
side.
no
all of
mind,
this,
Did that
bro.
That's
nigga
what
just
hey,
come in
matter,
here fucking standing
Hey,
up for
nobody
Stan
give a
G?
fuck
Nigga, get
man,
the
about
ain't no
fuck
nigga,
Stan
out of
G,
ain't no
here.
bro.
nigga standing up for Stan G. I
Nigga, you
told this
standing
nigga,
up for
he
that
brought my
pussy ass
name
nigga.
up
Nobody
Shut
give
when
up,
a fuck
bitch.
when you was
about
in there
no
You don't
talking
need to
Stan
about
cry
G,
Stan
about
G.
nigga.
You
Stan
brought
G,
my
nigga.
name up,
Nigga,
nigga. Hey man,
man, what
shut
I
your
ain't
OJ
goof
never
be
ass
brought
on
up,
your
here?
hoe ass
name
nigga. Ain't
up.
nobody
Nah,
talking to
man,
you.
cry
break
You
baby
Ain't
don't
it
ass
nobody
even
down,
talking to
nigga.
count
you.
man.
my world.
Tell that
You
nigga put
can
his pom
die
poms
every
down. We
day of
ain't
this
talking to him
Put
motherfucking
your
You ain't
world.
Stan
I
got
G
no
wouldn't
pom
give
money.
a
poms
fuck.
down,
Hey man,
pussy.
we ain't talking to no nigga with no money. We talking to that nigga over there with the bald head.
Fuck you talking
Oh,
about?
so that's what it is. How you
That's
know
what
what
it
I
is.
got? You
There
a
it
real
go.
fan.
This
That
nigga
nigga
think
talking
he
There it
about
funny
he a
You
go.
as
a
real
real
shit.
fan. Boy,
fan,
put your
bro.
dick
Nigga know
back in your
everything
pants,
about
There
him.
it
stupid
go.
Hey,
ass
bro, I
nigga.
don't know nothing about you. Don't want to
You
know
just
nothing about
exposed
you.
your
Group
hand,
ass
Now
nigga.
pussy.
You
listen.
got all these
What's your
group ass
Hey,
niggas be
YouTube
Pastor,
taking
channel?
up
if
for you when you
somebody
off the
got some
And you a
scene.
groupie
You
for
got all
questions,
these
Stan
group
G,
ass niggas be
nigga.
I'm
taking up
here
for
to
you when you off
answer
the
the
You
scene,
a
man.
question.
Stan G belly bandit, nigga.
Man, ain't nobody talking about Stan G,
Man,
bro.
ain't
I'm
no
telling you,
man.
I
You
was
Nigga,
in
brought
shut
up
Stan
your
G
dumb
Stan
party
ass
G.
up,
when y'all was
nigga.
having a conversation about that man. You niggas
Nigga, and
are
if we was having a
gossiping groupies,
conversation
bro.
about that, nigga, that's what we was doing, nigga.
Hey,
What you
whack,
gonna
hey,
do
whack,
about it?
whack,
For 8 hours
whack.
Nigga, you
straight.
got your cheerleader
Man,
pom
what
Say,
poms
type
on,
of
whack, I
nigga
nigga.
talk
stamped
about
What
his.
another
you gonna
nigga
do
for
about
eight
it?
Whack, you
hours
better not
straight,
never
bitch
come to
ass
Memphis,
nigga?
whack.
Oh, crybaby
He
ass
ain't gonna
nigga.
never come to
What
Memphis,
type of
Mad
nigga.
nigga
about
talk about
Stan
another
G,
nigga for
He
nigga.
8
ain't gonna
hours
never
straight?
come to
Don't
You
Memphis,
broke
nobody
Mad
give
ass
a
about
niggas
fuck
ain't
Stan
about
having
no
G,
shit.
nigga.
Stan
Old
G.
bitch, nigga.
Whack, you better not never come to Memphis, whack. I
Nigga,
stamped
we
it.
Shut
coming
your
there if we
ass up.
need
You
to,
ain't gonna
nigga.
do shit.
Valley, shut the fuck up,
You ain't gonna
bitch.
do shit.
man. That nigga
Bet you
just
won't.
want
I
to
bet you
get it
won't come to
on too.
Memphis and go
You ain't
live.
gonna do. Let me ask you a question,
My
Belly.
mama said, shut your
What's
dumb
your
ass up,
issue with
nigga.
me coming to Memphis? What issue you got with me,
You
bro?
just a
You.
bitch ass nigga. You knocked out two
He
Okay,
white
want to
boys.
issue.
meet you,
Listen,
bro. He want
you
to
What
just
meet you,
issue
bro.
you got with me?
You
You.
bunt, Wack.
What have
You
I done
fucking
to
bunt,
you?
nigga. You
I don't even want to
glorifying this
argue.
six
You talk
nine
about
nigga.
people all the
No, answer
time.
the
You
question. What have
glorify
I done to you, nigga? What have I done to you? Fuck all these other people. What have I done to you, Mr. Fan Guy? You're a fan.
Nothing.
who you
It's the
talking to?
coldest part.
Put a name on who you talking to.
You, Valley, what have I done to you?
Oh, you just a bitch ass nigga. I don't like how you try to all Hoover in this bitch, bro. But you run around. You
You
ran
ain't
around.
from
Hold
Chicago.
up,
Don't
man. Shut
address
the fuck
Hoover.
up. Let me talk, bro. Let me
You ain't
land
from
my plane.
Chicago. Don't
Let
address
me
Hoover.
talk, home. Let me talk. Man, I swear to God, nigga, I actually thought you was a stand-up nigga, bro. But you do some bitch ass shit. I don't like
Look,
how
you
you
doing
dog
some
Hoover
bitch
name
shit
threw that
right
man
now.
What
under the
Shut
Hoover
up,
bus.
got
Belly.
to
Hey
do with
man,
you?
hey, shut your
What
But
goof
Hoover
listen,
ass
got
up
to
and
do
let
with
that man
you?
talk, puss ass nigga. Stop trying to
hold
take up
up.
for Wack.
Then shut
Weak
your
ass
weird
nigga.
ass
Shut your
up.
Hey,
dumb
shut your
ass up.
piss
Go
ass
Fake
suck
down
ass
to
some of
nigga.
your
Weak
You
Monte.
can't
ass
do
Shut
stepdaddy's
nigga.
your
shit.
dick,
Take
bitch
your
nigga.
ass
ass
Shut
up,
your
upstate.
dumb
nigga.
Oh
ass up,
shit.
nigga.
Go suck your stepdaddy's dick, nigga, after he finish
You
Monte,
hitting your
come holler
sister.
you
at
can
me,
suck
my
his
nigga. You
dick.
gotta
Shut up,
answer
Monte.
Monte. Say bump,
Fuck
bitch
out of
ass
here
Man,
nigga.
you
with
got
that
all these
shit.
Some of y'all
group
niggas
ass
in here
niggas in
backing
here
up Wack
yelling
and
and
he don't
Yeah,
know
hollering and
none
shit
of
with they
y'all
pom
faggots.
poms and they G string showing.
Listen,
Don't give a
I'll
fuck about
beat
so
these
your
so
bitch
ass.
ass
Valley,
niggas,
your
man.
I'll
Nigga
issue
know how
beat
we
is
get
your
out, man.
ass.
Nigga come through
Y'all
let
California,
me
let
man,
these
get
without a
this
niggas
shirt
right.
break
on,
their
man.
I'll
heels
nigga,
and
beat
beat
bring
your
on
Bend,
your
y'all.
ass.
back to
bitch ass
back
flat
flat
on
Ugly
on
ass
point,
point,
nigga.
nigga.
Let
I'm
me
nigga.
in here
get this
arguing
Been
with
right.
you
doing
Your
all
that shit.
issue
day.
is Larry
I'll
Hoover.
beat your
Oh
I
ass.
said
God,
you run
bend
around
down.
Hold
dogging
on,
all
shut
these.
up,
You
Turner.
run
Now
around
hold
here
on
dog.
for real.
Listen, you run
I'm
around here
really trying
dogging
to
all
understand
these.
it.
You run around here dogging all these powerful black. Listen, Wack, you throwing smut on all
Slow
these
down,
powerful black
homie. No, I'm
men's
trying to
names, but
understand. Yeah, yeah. So you saying your issue is Larry Hoover, bro?
I'm
Ain't
saying, Wack,
nobody
you Wack,
disrespecting
hold hold up,
Larry
Wack.
Hoover.
Hold up, Wack. Wait, hold
Hey,
up,
Cap,
One
bro.
hey,
mic,
turn your
y'all. One
mic
mic.
up.
One mic.
I'm listening.
One more compassion. One more compassion.
Yo, Pastor, you got a bullshit mic right now. You ain't got no order in your room, Pastor. We gonna talk about that. So I'm trying to figure out, Velly. I ain't never disrespect Larry Hoover, so I don't know where you going with
Wack.
it.
Wack, you running around here, bro. You throwing smut on all these powerful black men named Hoover, one of them, bro. But you
Wait,
ran with
wait,
a
slow
rat
down.
for
What
you.
I throw
Hold
smut
up,
on
let me
Larry Hoover
talk,
now?
bro. Man, see,
Yeah,
now I
but
know
you
you
told a
listen. Now I
lie.
know you got a problem. You slight retarded,
You
bro.
just
You don't know
told
how
a
to pay
lie,
attention to
bro.
detail, bro.
I've never disrespected Larry Hoover name, bro, ever.
Oh my God, bro, Jesus Christ, you lying, home?
I've never, man, King.
Everything down south ready to get at you, bro.
Hey, bro, that's
That's Cap.
cool. That's cool.
That ain't
But
no motherfucking cap, man.
Big
I ain't
Cat.
never disrespected Larry Hoover,
Then,
my nigga.
man, you threw
What I
smut
okay,
on
tell
Hoover
me what
name.
I
Listen,
said.
bro. You
Tell
must
me
got a
what I
clone.
said
You must
disrespectful.
got a clone.
No, tell me what I said disrespectful about Larry. You
Man,
lying, bro.
listen, man, that's another episode. We ain't got to, man, you know exactly what you
No,
said.
you said it.
But listen, home, you throwing smut on these folks named Hoover one of
Tell
them,
me what I said
but
disrespectful
you ran
about
around
Larry
with a
Hoover,
rat. You
bro.
ran around with Takashi for a year straight, bruh.
What you mean? I ran around. You ain't never seen me running around. Which I do business with him. So what?
Man, you a cap ass nigga, bruh.
But bro, you jumping. Tell me what I said disrespectful about Larry Hoover.
You know exactly what you said. What I need to
No,
play it
I've
for
never.
you?
I'm telling you out my mouth. I've never disrespected Larry Hoover.
So
Oh my
you
god.
spoke on Hoover fam?
Yeah,
Bro, he
play it,
telling me.
nigga.
I'm trying to
I
ask the
talk
nigga what I
on that.
say. You lying, my nigga. You worse than the
Play it.
KKK,
Man, I was in the
nigga.
Who you say?
party
You
with you
spoke
when
on
you
Hoover fam?
it 3-4
What
niggas
did
was
I
in the
say
party with you.
then?
Bro, I was in the clubhouse with you when you were dogging the man, bro.
You have never. You a motherfucking
Play
lie.
it.
You ain't never heard me disrespect Larry Hoover.
That
Wack, so
nigga,
you
you a
gonna sit up
big
here and lie,
lie,
Wack?
nigga. He got
You heard me
gangsters on his
disrespect Jay
stage.
Prince, but you ain't heard me disrespect Larry Hoover.
And who listen, you disrespect the movement.
Jay
Hoover
Prince
got
is
to
not
they
Larry
Prince got
Hoover.
towards Hoover.
Jay Prince is not Larry Hoover, bro. Like, don't lie. If you gonna tell the
Bro,
truth, tell the truth.
you disrespect the movement Jay Prince got for Hoover, home.
Wait, how what you mean? How I'm disrespecting the movement Jay Prince got for Hoover? Jay Prince movement is his movement. Kanye movement is his movement. It's
Man,
three, four
I swear
people
to
got
God, Wack,
movements for
Wack.
him.
I thought you was a straight up and down
But
that
let
nigga.
me
You
ask
a
you
bitch
something,
ass
Belly.
nigga, bro. And I
But look, you
square with your
still
whole
won't
ass.
answer the question. What did I say disrespecting Larry? I've never disrespected Larry Hoover.
Did you
You
bring up
lying.
Larry name? You brought up
You
Larry
what?
name, Wacko?
What'd you say?
You brought his name up?
And that's a big
Well,
gangster, mob ties.
well, hold on, man. Listen, hey, bro. Let me tell you something, bro. And I'm gonna say it again. Everybody from a clique or a set, nigga. So you hollering mob ties don't move me, my nigga. That shit's
I'm
supposed to
saying, what you
move me.
speak
That
on?
don't move
What
me,
was
bro. So stop hollering that shit at me, nigga. Like I'm dependent of that, and that move me, bro.
Nah, he ain't gotta move. You gonna be a point of time where
Okay,
you
then
can't
it is
move,
what the.
nigga.
But are you mob ties though?
Man,
Because
bitch, what you
if you
think?
not, you shouldn't be even mentioning it to get me going. To
What
diss
you
me,
think,
a
nigga? What
real
you think,
mob
nigga?
ties nigga should get at you. Because it's like, my nigga, what you doing? Because why you
What
bringing
you
it up?
think? What
I
you
don't know
think,
what
nigga?
I don't know nothing about you, nigga. Don't care to know nothing
Listen.
about you.
I bet you want to fly to Memphis and go live getting off the plane at the airport.
Ain't
Hey,
And
bro,
nobody
I'm gonna
doing
go
all
when I
that.
want
listen,
to
The
go. Let
fuck
me
listen,
is
tell
you
you
listen,
about
talking
every
listen,
about?
state.
This nigga
Let me
listen,
tell you
looking
Wack,
about
for a
and I
every
reason to
Wack,
state.
pop out.
And
Wack,
let me
and
tell
I
you
pull
about
up with
every
no gun.
state,
Wack,
bro.
Wack, I stamp this.
Every
I swear to
state,
God,
hey, bro.
I pull up with no guns, bro. We can meet up at Passion Spot and box 1-on-1 in the yard.
What? You
Man,
not
Belly,
coming
y'all
out
However you
here,
niggas
want to
ain't
do,
bro.
I will
shit. Y'all
fight,
niggas
You
bro.
ain't
not
shit.
coming out here,
My
bro.
passion spot.
You not
What I'm
coming
saying,
out
what I'm
here,
not
bro.
coming out there. Why would I not come out there?
You not you
That
think it's
nigga
sweet?
said
Come on
passion
out here.
shit. See, it ain't about it being sweet,
No, if
bro.
you
Just
think
like you
it's
say you'll
sweet, come
come to
on out
Memphis,
here, my
bro.
nigga.
We be in Cali all the time.
I'm saying,
Hey, man, we
I
be
don't
out
hate you.
there,
Listen,
man.
Hey,
listen,
look,
I don't want to
We
keep,
California
be
is
listen,
out
800
there.
listen.
miles
Hello, Wack,
north, south,
Wack.
400 miles east, west. All kind of niggas to be out here. Ain't no nigga looking for this nigga. I don't even know this nigga. This nigga infatuated
Wack,
with me.
No nigga said
Wack,
that. He
I don't
never
want to,
said he
Wack,
was
I
looking
don't,
for you
listen,
though.
You in here
let's get that
lying.
clear, Wack. Let's get that
Hey,
clear. I don't
Belly,
want
I
to kill you
promise
because of
you,
your skin
you
color,
will
bro.
not
Hey,
I
see
don't
me
want to
in
Valley.
kill you because of
He
the
California.
ain't
simple
never
shit.
Yeah, I
said
You
told him
nothing
will
to.
not
bad
Let
see
him
me
about the
in
land.
old man.
California to
Don't
approach
lie
me
on
with
dude
no
like that.
disrespect. I guarantee you that.
Who?
Not you.
Man, I would bust you up in anywhere in
Okay,
California,
all
bro.
right,
Pause,
all
pause,
right,
pause,
all
pause,
right,
pause, pause.
all right.
Pause.
Hey, bro, listen, bro.
You
Don't
say
come in
so,
here with
bro.
no homosexual ass shit to my pause. He ain't said nothing gay.
Pause.
Bring
Weak
your
ass
weird
nigga to
ass
my
out
pause.
here,
Don't
bro.
Hey,
start that
hey,
gay
hey,
ass
but
shit.
Valley,
That
Valley,
was a little
you
kinky,
accused the
man.
man of saying
Lame
That's
ass
all
something
I
nigga
bad
come
asked.
here
about
talking
the
about some
old
pause.
Yeah,
man.
Nigga, ain't
nigga, I
He
nobody
don't
ain't
saying
know
no
never
what
gay
I
say
shit.
nothing.
Weak
said.
ass
He
nigga.
ain't no, I'm from Chicago.
I ain't
I ain't
never
on no
said
dick
nothing
rider shit.
disrespectful about
He ain't
Hoover, my
never
nigga.
said nothing disrespectful about the old
Man,
man.
y'all act
Don't
like
put that
dude that had
charge
He
on him.
Jesus or
said, he
some shit,
said,
fool.
listen, y'all,
Y'all act like Wack
he
or
said
something.
I ain't
Wack
never
was
disrespected
disrespecting the
Never.
Larry Hoover.
movement
I ain't
that
never
Jay
heard him
Prince
say
Jr.
it.
got for Larry Hoover.
Oh man, what the fuck are you talking
Matter of
about?
fact, I'm gonna keep it real. What
What the
I
fuck you
said
mean when I'm talking
was,
about niggas? You listen to details,
Hold
you
on,
just listen to what you
let
want to
Wack get
hear.
it
hey,
up.
what I said was, if you really want to know what I said about Larry Hoover, King John was in the room. I said after watching this footage, this 5 hour footage, and watching this man in 1998 predict what was gonna happen 20, 22 years ahead of time, I really place him up there with Malcolm and motherfucking Martin, is what I said.
That's a fact.
Now, if you
That's a
call
fact.
that disrespect,
You said more than that.
But this
Yeah, if
No,
you
that's
nigga,
a
call
he
that
fact
don't.
right there.
disrespect, bro, then something wrong with you. Niggas like you try to
This nigga
create
don't care
false
about Larry
narratives, bro.
Hoover.
For what reason? I don't know. But you lying. I've never disrespected Larry Hoover. You're a fucking lie.
You cap. You
No, don't
disrespect
lie,
Hoover
man.
Man,
No, you
and
you
Jay
lying,
trying
Prince,
to
dude.
bruh.
you
Hey,
trying to
fella,
you
you
trying to
lying,
bring
dog.
smoke to
Y'all mad
Hey,
Larry.
these
about
niggas
Jay
make
Hey,
Prince.
Valley,
Memphis
say
look
what he
bad.
said though,
Nigga,
bro.
fuck Jay Prince.
They
Hey, bro,
mad about
stop
Jay
riding
Prince.
Wack
They
They ain't
one.
See
mad
that?
about Jay
Wait. I'm
Prince.
saying
Nah, it
wait.
ain't
Wait.
about
That,
dick
bro.
Wait.
riding.
Stop,
It's
I'm
about the
saying
truth,
wait.
man.
Wait. Wait. What you got with Jay
Don't lie
Prince,
on
bro?
a
What you
man
got with
like
Prince,
that.
home?
so we agree that I never disrespected Larry Hoover,
Nah, we
right?
ain't agreed on pun shit. What
Well,
you
you
got with
gotta tell
Prince?
me what I said then, bro, because that's some false narrative, bro.
Man, you cap, bruh.
You keep
Hey,
You
saying
bro,
that,
you
you
but what
said
did
cap,
I
bruh.
hey,
say?
hold up.
You
They
cap
never
like
It
hold
looking
on,
disrespect
like
watch this.
you
you,
Hold on,
cap.
gang.
hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
You trying to
You
walk with
looking
all this
like you
gang
cap,
shit,
my
nigga.
nigga.
Why don't you be a man and have a problem with that man